Hey guys, Lady Luck's back with you. As you can see, my surroundings are different, and I'll show you more about that at the end of the video, but forgive the angle. I am still getting set up, but I wanted to film an epic unboxing today, and I am so excited to show you guys what I have. It is a massive Hermes haul, so if you are interested to see what I was able to cop from Hermes, stay tuned. Last leg with my battery. I'm looking at it and it's 20%. So I'm going to try and go really quickly, but I will do a review on these items as soon as I can. First of all, I just want to thank you all, as always, for the lovely comments on the channel. They mean so much to me, and the fact that you guys watch all the time, they mean so much. I even got some really nice comments in light of the royal wedding, which was this weekend. Some of you commented that I look like Meghan Markle, and wow, that blew me away. I think she is so beautiful and so glamorous, and if I even look a smidge like her, I take that as a beautiful and wonderful compliment. So, one correction from the introduction to the video is this is actually a reveal. It's not an unboxing, because I wanted to check all these items as soon as they came in. So without further ado, I'm going to grab the first item, which is in this box. There you go. And I'm sorry if this seems rushed. It's not my intention, especially with this haul, but I have got 20% of battery life left. And this is the Hermes CDC bracelet. And I absolutely love this taupe color. It works with anything. It works with what I have on today. And if I wasn't already accessorized, I would put this on my wrist. But I absolutely love this. I think it is so stunning. The stitching is perfect. If you've been watching my channel, you would see that I already have a reddish, sort of orangish one, and I love it. And this is added to my collection. I also would like to add a black one to my collection as well, and maybe a white. But when I saw this in the store, I just loved it and wanted to add it to my collection. So that I did. Okay, now the second, again, I'm positioned a little weird, is in this box, also from Hermes. And all of this was purchased on the same day. So, of course, pristine wrapping. And it is this beautiful scarf. And let me just see if I can step back and show you the color pattern. It is absolutely gorgeous. These also happen to pay homage to my sorority colors, pinks and greens, and just a beautiful item for vacation. I want to show you the bracelet next to it, because I think that is just, it is so luxe looking. It is just so beautiful. So I love this scarf. You could do so much with it. You can use it as a cover-up on vacation or tie a little dress out of it. I am really excited. I have a trip planned to the Bahamas in July, and this will definitely be going with me. So very exciting addition to my collection, and I look forward to using this a lot. All right, now we're on to the next item. And that item is in this box. Oops, I don't want to show you the label until afterwards. So, opening the box. Oh, you can see all of the ribbon there. Oh. And then the paper. What I'm going to show you is in this bag. Let me take it out so I can put this box down. And oops, here is the item. So here it is. I got an Hermes Evelyn. This is the GM size. It is in the color Magnolia, I believe, which is, it's reading more purple on camera, but it's really like a purple, like a pink purple, I would say. And I absolutely love this bag. It is so useful. It's a punch of color that is much needed in my bag wardrobe. And I am so excited. It does come with this, which is the shoulder strap. The shoulder strap is made out of cotton, so it is not leather. But it is definitely adjustable. And clips onto the bag like so. And gives you a nice little shoulder strap here to be able to wear. For me, this is a little bit long right now for how I would wear it. I think I would adjust it to be here, but in the interest of time and camera battery life, I will just take a mod shot and insert that at some interval during this reveal. No, okay, here we go. So the inside of the Evelyn is accessed by opening this snap. And it is a beautiful suede interior, but it's just one big cavern. It does have this pocket on the back, so you could slip your cell phone in there, and still, the closure is not such that you couldn't reach around it and get your phone. So you don't have to open this, in other words, to get your phone. But I love this. And I was so excited that this was actually, if you want to know where I got this, I actually got it from the shops of Buckhead, locally here in Atlanta. I was shocked that they had it. I came in looking for an Evelyn and was so super excited that they had one, because I was looking for a GM, and I know that the smaller bags are more in fashion now, but I don't particularly tend to prefer a smaller bag. Most of my bags are larger handbags, and I was glad to be able to get that and add that to my collection. So with that, we're going to move on to the next item from this reveal. So the next item that I'd like to show you is in this bag. And I'm so excited. I think you guys can guess what I'm about to show you. And that is, I got a Birkin. Okay. Now it's being all shy. It doesn't want to come out of the dust bag. But I absolutely love this bag. So this is actually the biggie. This is a 40 centimeter Birkin. It is in navy blue, and it's got the palladium hardware. And it is so pretty. I could not believe it when I was offered this bag. I was so honored, and to the point where I had to walk away for a minute to be like, is this really happening to me today? So I'm going to tell you my full Birkin story at some point, not in this reveal, because I don't want it to be too long, and I think it's special enough for its own video. But this is her. So pretty. And I've waited so long. This has been a years and years long journey, not 1 year journey, for me to be able to add this to my collection. I think that the 40 is a perfect size for my frame. Like I said, I tend to prefer a larger handbag, and everything about this bag is absolute perfection. I will give you a little bit more detail behind it when I tell my Birkin story. I think you've seen a few of these opened on YouTube, but the inside is absolutely gorgeous. Leather pocket on the inside. but as you can imagine, I can fit a lot. And when I was offered this, I took everything out of my existing handbag. I can't remember. I was carrying my Chanel Maxi, actually, the day that I got this, and put it into this handbag, and I found that it wasn't overly heavy. And at this size, I could also use this for a work tote, which would be great. I don't know that I would. It's really, really special, and I don't believe in saving my bags for a special occasion. However, day-to-day use, no. I mean, not until I get a few more Birkins under my belt. And yes, I do plan on buying more Birkins and a Kelly, and I've got a wish list currently with my sales associate. So to answer all the immediate questions, I was able to get my Birkin at the Hermes in the shops of Buckhead here in Atlanta. This is a 40 centimeter. It is navy blue. It's got the silver hardware, and I absolutely love this. So before I completely lose all battery life, I hope that you enjoyed this reveal. What's on my floor? Oh, I just realized there's something on my floor. Actually, there's a funny story behind that. I recently went home, and I guess I dropped those, but that's a letter that I wrote to my aunt when I was 16 that I never mailed. So it was funny reading the types of things that I was talking about back then, and just a blast from the past down memory lane. So I'm going to go pick that up. I am going to enjoy this Birkin. I'm glad that it is revealed, and now I am going to use it and stop keeping it in the box. So if you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below. I'm so thrilled to share all these purchases with you, the CDC, the scarf, the Evelyn, and the Birkin, and I never thought that I'd get it all in one fell swoop. Also, again, my surroundings, I am going to insert a clip for those who don't follow me on Instagram. We just bought a house, and I will do a full closet tour very, very soon. Let me know if you're interested in seeing more of the house. I sense that you may be more interested in my closet, shoes, handbags than the full house, and we're still decorating. But if you're interested in the full house, I can do a tour as well. So as always, thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for a little bit more closet action. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. And thanks again, as always, for tuning in. See you soon. Bye.